The U.S. Marine Corps has just announced the arrival of the new Amphibious Combat Vehicle Command and Control Variant, or ACV-C, at Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. This marks an important step in the Corps' efforts to modernize its amphibious capabilities and enhance command and control functions on the battlefield. The ACV-C is a specialized version of the Amphibious Combat Vehicle, an advanced 8-wheeled armored personnel carrier designed to replace the aging fleet of assault amphibious vehicles that have been in service for over 50 years. The ACV-C is designed to serve as a mobile command post, equipped with advanced communications and coordination systems. It provides real-time situational awareness and enables coordination at regimental and battalion levels, crucial for successful amphibious operations. This modern vehicle is part of the Marine Corps' strategy to improve mobility, firepower, and protection, ensuring the Corps is ready for complex operational environments. The ACV program was launched to replace the old assault amphibious vehicles, which have been in service since 1972. In 2018, BAE Systems, along with Iveco Defense Vehicles, secured a contract to produce up to 204 ACVs. With several contract extensions including a $256.8 million production contract in 2023, the program continues to evolve. The Marine Corps' acquisition goal has been revised from 1,122 to 632 vehicles under the Force Design 2030 initiative, which aims to reshape the force for modern warfare. The ACV family includes several variants, each tailored to specific needs. The ACV-P is the basic personnel carrier transporting Marines and their equipment. The ACV-C is the command and control platform that has now achieved initial operational capability. Other variants like the ACV-30 with a 30mm cannon for fire support, and the ACV-R, designed for vehicle recovery operations, round out the versatile fleet. The ACV series offers significant improvements over the legacy AAV fleet. The vehicles are equipped with enhanced armor for protection against ballistic and explosive threats, increased payload capacity, and superior amphibious mobility, allowing them to operate in coastal and littoral environments with ease. This new generation of vehicles is designed to ensure ship-to-shore transport in even the most contested conditions. The arrival of the ACV-C at Camp Lejeune is a key milestone for the 2nd Assault Amphibian Battalion. With its advanced command and control features, this vehicle will support future amphibious and expeditionary missions, giving the Marine Corps a more resilient and adaptable platform for operations worldwide. The ACV program represents the Corps' ongoing commitment to modernizing its amphibious assault and expeditionary warfare capabilities for the challenges of today and the future. As testing and fielding continue, the Marine Corps is refining tactics and procedures to maximize the ACV-C's effectiveness. The arrival of this new variant is just the beginning of a new chapter in amphibious warfare, positioning the Marine Corps for success in a rapidly changing world.